Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. I hope you're all staying safe and COVID-19 free. Kick back, relax, make sure that subscribe button is hit, and here's my top picks from this week's craziest videos on the internet. So this first one is of a woman in her 50s on a golf course in Yorkshire. Jeez, I mean, what gives him the right to do that to her? That is absurd.
Good night, Joe.
Well, while that first chap was able to push over an old lady, these two guys can't push a bike up a fucking hill. And I mean, that engine is giving it some. Poor old thing. They've totally ruined that guy's lawn as well. Oh god, that's just so cringe and painful to watch. So this next guy was just a moped thief sitting there minding his own business when this police car rolls up to him. They're about to try and ask him some questions. Guy jumps out the side and he just gets a delivery on his phone. He's about to go and do it. No, see you later, mate. Bush gets run over and tasered by that ginger officer. Poor chap. I don't know what's worse really, getting tasered by a ginger or being rammed into a railing. Moving on to Italy, we've got some police officers trying to speak to this young man to explain to him that he shouldn't be riding a bike that he can barely flat foot in. Also, you shouldn't be wearing trainers whilst riding a bike. The kid was alright in the end. The police gave him some words of advice and told him to go and buy some Alpine Stars. Now, if only this thief was wearing Alpine Stars, this wouldn't have happened. I love the way he just like calmly points out, "You've trapped my foot," and the police like slowly walk up to him like, "Alright, well just give us your hands then, you're arrested." Whereas his mate's just like legging it for like all hell and fury. So this next one's filmed by a guy who's just been to the chip shop and really wants to give his best mate some chips. Chip bro, chip! Chip, 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 chip. Oh shit! Bump it! Bump it! Oh shit! Thanks for watching, guys. If you had as much fun as Chip did, drop a like down below. Till next time, you've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.